hi everyone, this is Shrija. Welcome to SkinOreal, where I talk all things skincare. So if you like skincare related content, then make sure that you subscribe. Likewise, you can also follow me on Instagram, where I post more regularly. So you guys keep asking me about my current morning and nighttime skincare routine. And I know I don't talk about it a lot. The reason is that I feel it is very counterproductive. You're not going to learn anything from it. Because skincare is something very personal, and what is working for me might not work for you, and vice versa. So I always recommend my followers, my clients, my YouTube subscribers to always pick and choose what works for them. Always keep your skin needs and skin concerns above skin trends. And in today's video, I'm not going to build a routine for you guys. Rather, I'm going to talk about few skincare products that I have been enjoying lately. So if these products are something that you think will work for you, then feel free to give them a try. Otherwise, if you have a routine which is set in place and is working for you, there is no need for you to even try these products. I'm just recommending these products for people who are looking for better alternatives, people who are confused, and people who have similar skin type and skin concerns that I have. Before starting the video, you guys should know that I have a oily, acne-prone skin which tends to get dehydrated. I also don't react very well to lavender essential oil in skincare. But apart from that, my skin is pretty much tolerant of majority of the actives, and I have been using skincare actives for almost 4 to 5 years now. So that way my skin is resilient. Now let's move on to my product list. Starting with product number 1, and that is Pure Bubbles Barrier Protection Face Wash. I absolutely love this face wash. If you have been following me, then you guys know that I love gentle cleansing. I do not believe in using those stripping, harsh cleansers that give you that squeaky clean feeling, because in the long run they can compromise your skin barrier. But this little baby is actually so gentle and effective at the same time. I recently ran out of my CeraVe foaming cleanser and I was not able to find one easily in India. So I decided to give this one a try, and I was not disappointed. This one has ingredients like niacinamide and zinc PCA, which is extremely good for acne prone and oily skin. However, I do believe that this cleanser will suit all skin types because it is also free from fragrance, free from essential oils, and is based on gentle surfactants. If you are looking for a gentle cleanser, I do recommend giving this one a try. I of course use this as a second cleanse in my nighttime skincare routine. I have also tried using it without my cleansing balm, and it was effective at removing my sunscreen. So I do believe that if you use it properly for 30 to 40 seconds, and honestly, this will also take care of your sunscreen without stripping your skin. The second product that I want to talk about is Rovectin Clean Lotus Moisturizer. This little baby was also featured in my best 2020 skincare list, and I absolutely love this. This is formulated with lotus water extracts and skin soothing ingredients like Pantolon. I do recommend giving this moisturizer a try if you are looking for an essential oil free, fragrance free, and a no fuzz moisturizer. This is also a great option for people who are just starting their retinoid journey or are looking for moisturizer that they can use as a buffer for their active ingredients. Yes, it is a little pricey, but one tube lasts like 2 to 3 months, and it is so worth it. It just has a very silky, watery texture, and it immediately gets absorbed into your skin. However, I do not recommend this if you have really dry skin, because it won't be enough for you and you would need to layer it with another moisturizer. But yes, of course, if you have oily, acne prone, dehydrated skin and you're looking for a good moisturizer, give this one a try. The third product in my list is Purito Centella Unscented Serum. I absolutely love this product. This is of course formulated with centella. Then it has additional ingredients like ceramides and peptides. Honestly, I do believe that this is a great anti-aging or aging gracefully serum for people who cannot tolerate strong actives like vitamin A or vitamin C. So if you're someone who has extremely sensitive skin and you cannot tolerate these actives, then I do recommend giving this serum a try. It is an excellent blend of peptides, and you just need 1 to 2 pumps every day. I just use it once, and you will definitely start to see that plumbing and smoothing effect after continuous long-term use. This is also a great serum for people who cannot tolerate essential oils or fragrance in skincare, but do keep in mind that this has niacinamide, so if you're allergic to niacinamide, this product unfortunately is not for you. I usually use it before my moisturizer in my morning skincare routine, and I have been loving it so far. I have also used the scented version long time before. That one had EO and I remember loving it, but the only reason I was not very comfortable recommending it to everyone out there because it had essential oils and it was not suitable for people who had fragrance allergies. But this new formula is suitable for you, and this product I think is only available on Beauty Ban India. And if it is out of stock there, then I'm sorry, you will have to wait for it to be back in stock, because I'm really not aware of any other website which is selling this particular serum. I'll also link down few IG pages that are selling Purito products, so you can check that out later. The next product in my list is, of course, a sunscreen. This is Bellows Photo Stable Sunscreen. I absolutely love it. This is such a gem of a product. I remember my dermat once prescribed it to me when I was a teenager, but somehow I just stopped using it. And recently, when all of this Purito controversy happened, I was in like a hunt for a good sunscreen, and I happened to stumble upon my old prescriptions and I found this product. This is formulated with excellent new generation UV filters like Uvinil A+, Uvinil T150, Tinosorb S, Tinosorb M. And the best part is that it literally glides onto your skin and it doesn't have any white cast. Of course, you have to blend it in, but I think this is a perfect formula for oily, acne prone skin. And also this sunscreen is so affordable. If you're looking for a good sunscreen that is easily available in Indian market and something that is affordable, give this one a try and you won't be disappointed. Now moving on to the last product in my list, which is such an unexpected product, and I'm sure once I show it to you guys also will be shocked. And this is something which was really unexpected for me as well. So the last product that I have really been enjoying is this Klairs eye cream or eye butter. I think it's called Klairs Fundamental Nourishing Eye Butter. So this one was a gift from a friend, because you guys know I don't like to spend money on eye creams. However, this one is really good, like really good in the sense, no, don't like, it's not going to take care of your dark circles or something, but this is such a nourishing and hydrating eye cream. So if you are looking for a nourishing and hydrating eye cream, give this one a try. It is formulated with sunflower oil, which is rich in vitamin E and A, in addition to combination of different peptides. So that is where I feel that this eye cream can give you a little plumbing effect. Also, I see people using these heavy eye creams and then end up with melia around their eyes. With this, you won't experience any problem. This is hydrating, but then it is so lightweight and it immediately gets absorbed into your skin. Also, if you are someone who's prone to flakiness around eyes and you feel that eyeshadows or your primer tends to get flaky here, I think this is a great product that can solve that problem. So if you're looking for a nourishing eye cream, give this one a try, because I really like it. So that is all I have for you guys today. If you guys enjoy watching my video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.